Hi, my name is Kathy and I'm going to show you how to do fun projects in Microsoft Word. Doing fun projects in Microsoft Word is great because they have templates already done for you and they're easy to create. So here's some of the things that we can do. If you go up to the top of your screen into File and you click on New from Template, you'll see a lot of different options for templates. You have calendars and stationery, brochures, flyers, posters, and if you don't see something that you are interested in doing, you can go up into the search box and you can type something that you were thinking about doing. I was thinking about doing a Mother's Day card, so I'll just type in Mother's Day, and Word has a template for that. So I'm going to double click on it, and if you scroll down you can see that it's a great template. You can insert a text box, you can insert pictures right here, whatever you want to personalize it. Another really cool thing is if you go back up into File and into the templates, New from Template, you can also access calendars. If you double click on the calendar, you can create calendars that are really personalized. You can put family pictures in there. You can put vacation pictures in there and save it as a keepsake. You could also save your child's first months in there and give it as a gift or have it to remember. So there are a lot of different things that you can do in Word, and I hope that you'll have fun playing around with it. And my name is Kathy, and this is how you make fun projects in Word. Thanks for watching.